Most portfolio websites look the same. So I tried to build an award-winning portfolio website for video editors using AI tools, and this is what happened. I didn't code this from scratch. I used a full AI workflow from frames to animation to advanced UI components, and I will show you exactly how I did it step by step. First, of course, we need an animation. For that, I'm gonna be using Whisk to create frames and Flow to create animation. So let me brief about the idea. So this is a Notion template I have created. Here's where I'm gonna add the videos, list of the videos I had and the asset related to it. So when you scroll down, this is the topic. A person with hunter skill, and I got this image from Pinterest, and this guy with 6 hands. The first frame create the person without any specs, and second frame is all about going to wear the specs, and third frame is all about with the 6 hands from his back and with some laptop and something like that. Now let's create the frames first. So let's go to Whisk and then enter tool, and let's grab the assets. So when you come over here, go to assets, and here you can see the prompt. So I'm gonna grab the first frame prompt and copy, and here I'm gonna paste it, and also come over here. Let's add the subject. For that, I'm gonna be adding a random pic from free pic. You can add your own pic, that's the main point here. So add your own pic. So this is image I got of a guy. He looks like a nerd, but really a genius nerd. After adding a subject, let's just enter, and in that time let's grab the second frame prompt and come over to Whisk. It's not done yet, but let's just delete this prompt and paste the okay, we got the first frame, and here I'm gonna just download this one. Okay, and then delete this and add this one as our subject. So add that. We have added the subject and paste the second frame prompt, and copy the last frame prompt, delete the second frame prompt here, and okay, it's done, and we have the second frames, and I'm gonna be just taking this one. Now let's add that as a subject. Let's paste the last frame creating prompt, enter. So this is the exact image I have wanted. Let's just download this one. Now we got the 3 frames. So let's go to flow and create the animation. And this is flow, and we're gonna be using Nano Banana 2. Just tab on the new project, and then in that time let's just copy the animation prompt here. Before pasting the prompt, let's add the assets like the first frame, second frame, and the third frame. It's not arranged as first frame, second frame, and last frame. Let's organize that first, and then paste that prompt here, and then just create, enter. So these are the 2 results we got. Let's download this one. Okay, and here I'm gonna just download as 720p. Make sure you get a pro version so that you can download in 4K. Then 720p, and it's downloading. So before adding to the front end, let's convert this video into a JPG sequence. I mean image sequence. So I'm here at EZGIF, and here upload the file and then upload the video. We have uploaded the file. Now let's click on this upload video button. Scroll down here at frame rate, increase to 30, and then convert to JPG. And here you can get a zip file and download that and extract that file and add to the Antigravity. And this is the front end file. I have added the link in the Notion template. You can grab that. And now let's open this one and then select folder. Here let's paste a prompt that will do the animation for us by taking the public folder, and this prompt will go through this and add that animation in the hero section. We're gonna just go enter, and this is the result we got. The animation is working really fine. Let me scroll and show you. So I'm scrolling now. I can see that he's wearing the specs. After that, some arms gonna come out from his back. As you can see, 6 arms, and then that's it. But still, it kind of feels generic. Let's fix that, and I will come back after that. And finally, I have completed the website. I have added some parallel motions and text revealing motions in the website. So let me show you. So this is a result. Now I'm gonna scroll. As you can see, the hero section is kind of have this scrolling animation of the person, the portfolio owner image. And when you scroll down, you can see the 6 hands coming up and the skills are popping up like that. Now when you scroll down here, I have added a video. So this is a short video, but you can add a long video because long video makes sense actually. And there's also a text revealing section where you can see the when you scroll the text are revealing. And after that there is selected work section. When you scroll you can see the images are popping in front. You can remove the photos and add a video so that you can make it play and everything. When you scroll you can see this coming to your face, and after that just the footer. You can add more section if you want. And I used this 21st.dev website to add the parallel zoom, parallel motion and other motions in our website. Here you can find all the prompt I used in this Notion template. I will add the link in the description. You can take that and you can apply the prompt and make your own web portfolio website. Okay, and that's it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will come again with another wonderful video. Thank you for watching.